Hyperco Jeep girl. We are out here in Sand Hollow today doing a little bit of a shakedown run on my husband's Gladiator. I'll show you him. That's Indominus, JT on Instagram, or Matt as we call him. We're just getting started today. We're going to go and run Milt's mile and see how all of the new upgrades on his Gladiator look on the trail. It's a little chilly out here. It's 46 degrees right now and I don't have my doors or roof on, so I'm a little bundled up. The kids and the dog are with us and they're in the warm doored Jeep right now. So I'm gonna go catch up to him and I'll keep you posted. So we tried this last week with Matt's brother and sister-in-law were in town, but it was so crazy windy out here, and then his lockers weren't working because he had messed around with a taser and that had accidentally disconnected all the aux switches. So now everything's supposed to be working well. Oh, and here's Junior's new RC car. He just got that for his birthday. He's super excited to try it out in the sand. All right. I'm gonna move around so you get a better view of what Matt's gonna try. He's gonna try that. Just roll through it. That's good. Okay, now come passenger. And you're gonna go down that steep part, okay? You're good though.
That is awesome. I don't think he's locked. Anyway. Nice job, bud. Trinity, come on over here, buddy.
I'm coming right here.
To lift. You're good. Seriously flexy. Okay, they're all down. They're all down. Okay, that's good. Okay, now roll through that. Keep coming. Perfect job. Nice work. Woo! That is some serious flexy. That was seriously flexy. That really was. Holy cow. Good job. Way to stay with that.
All right.
And that crankshaft vent, no smoke. Yay! I have a feeling Matt's going to try to get some redemption today. He had a hard time trying to get at Middle Monkey last time he was out here. Almost flopped over. So I think today he's going to look for redemption, but we'll see. Kids are checking out the line. Dog's checking it out. Matt's checking it out. Oh, there's nobody here, which is really nice. What do you guys think? Which line's the best? Are you gonna try to tear up your pants? Well, that's a very steep slide, Trinity. That doesn't look like a good idea to me. Trinity! You're ripping your pants, girlfriend. They like the slide, apparently. Be careful, you guys. Are your pants still okay?
Yeah. I feel good.
Trinity's a pretty thin. There goes Kota. Kota, you having fun, buddy? I'm having fun. He's such a good dog.
Looks like he's enjoying himself.
He is. What are you thinking today?
This is fun.
You feeling like giving Middle Monkey another shot? All right.
Okay, guys, we are going down this humongous slide, guys. It is huge. So, You guys have to watch me. first you guys have to watch my sister she's going down this humongous slide.
Slow down this hill. This
is a hill. Yo, look at this thing. It's just a steep drop off at the end.
This is the steep drop off.
We're going down. Watch me go down, yo. Watch me go down, yo.
Where is the GoPro?
I know. I'm going down. Hold it for me. I'm going down. I'm going down. See that? Isn't that fun, guys? You got that. Can you video on that? I'll get the GoPro.
Okay, so Matt's trying Little Monkey on his new build. I stay a little bit driver. You're kind of squared up there. Do you want me to get up there and look? Where do you want me to spot you from?
Anywhere you want.
I'm gonna go. Stay put. I'm gonna go around you.
Sure.
Please don't move. That would really suck for me. Okay. Okay. Let's try that. Okay, your tires are climbing together. Maybe turn a little passenger. There you go. Can you see your line? Stay a little passenger. Yeah, hold that. Stay passenger. There you go.
Okay. Am I okay in the back?
Your back's solid on the ground. Looks like it's tracking. Let's try to stay passenger up there. I don't want you to fall off. Your back tires are still on the ground.
Okay.
I would just stay passenger and climb it. But I don't know. No guarantees of the Gladiator build. The tires are holding. Stay passenger. You're good. That's good. I was worried your tire's gonna slide off there if you stay there for too long, babe. Stay passenger, you're going driver. There you go. There you go. Now you can turn a little driver if you wanted. There you go, right like that. Try that. Okay, now driver. Gotta turn driver. Keep going, keep going. Oh yeah, baby! What?
Wow.
That's the line for the Gladiator right there, baby. Woo! Way to go, RPM. Whoa, that is a heck of a suspension. Oh my gosh. That's amazing. Woohoo! We made it. Kota's excited too. Yeah, baby. All right, just be careful getting out there. It's a mess after this. I am so impressed. That's that RPM steering 3-link and 4-link with those Bilstein coilovers and reservoirs, and oh my gosh, those Hyperco springs, it all working together and just doing a killer job getting up Middle Monkey. So impressed.
Yeah.
I can do it.
See it. Oh, this is scary. There she goes.
Wow.
Oh.
I don't know. I just wanted to say, holy crap. Can you believe, guys, that happened?
My dad just went up Middle Monkey.
Oh my God.
This is the beast.
That was crazy.
It's huge.
That was so crazy. That is awesome, man.
We're going to Zeppy's.
That lift that I got from RPM is freaking awesome. And dude, I didn't have to hit it. I didn't have to gun it. I just touched the tires on it, and off it went, man. That was just great. So super excited.
So Matt is excited, very excited, after his success on Middle Monkey, which was his Nemesis from before. He is absolutely thrilled right now. So we're gonna do the, I think we're gonna do the rest of the trail at this point. It's a lot easier without a whole bunch of people with you. So the last few times we've done Milt, we haven't really gotten all the way through it. We've skipped the end, which is hard right turn and hard left turn. Whoop, climbing up it now. This is hard right turn, which I don't like as much as hard left turn. So here's the obstacle itself. Pretty view though, huh? I think the deal is you got to stay pretty high passenger on the wall here. Climb up. Because there's all kinds of ruts and holes. I feel like Matt's going to need to back up in order to get a better approach, but we'll see. That look easy. Holy cow. The tire wasn't even anywhere near anything and it just came on up. Holy cow. You made that look ridiculously easy.
That was awesome.
That was crazy. Kota, what do you think?
I remember I had to lift the tire before.
Dude, no, that tire didn't even touch anything and you just came up. It's crazy. It just kind of stayed on the side. That's nuts.
It is insane.
All right.
Just took the Gladiator up hard right turn, and it's ridiculous. Oh my gosh, the thing just stayed planted. Last time I did it, I lifted a tire before I had the new suspension on, the new shocks, and you know, the new RPM lift, and dude, crazy. I didn't even come close to lifting a tire. Back stayed planted the entire time. It's awesome. You're kind of tight. There you go. Straighten it out. You're coming kind of high. There you go. There you go. Straight. Perfect. Now come a little bit driver, just a little bit. There you go. Perfect. Come a little bit more driver as you come up. There you go, and you're going to climb a little bit on your driver's side. Perfect. Oh yeah. You think? Heck yeah. Just stay where you are, and you won't hit the camera. Yeah. There you go.
Turn a little sooner, driver. Your rear passenger should climb that wall. It should help keep you level. Stay there. You're good. You're good. You're good. Keep coming. Yep, that's good. Keep coming. Yep. Yep. Keep coming. There you go. Okay, so that about wraps up our day on Milt's Mile out here. We were able to find our way through the whole trail, which is a big accomplishment for me. I am not the best with maps, but I'm learning, and I love that I can find my way through this now. All the obstacles were super fun. Got to do hard left and hard right turn today. It was really great. It was so much fun having our Gladiator get up Middle Monkey. That was super exciting. All those new upgrades that we've done to it, that RPM suspension, the amazing Bilstein shocks on there, the coilovers, and those new Hyperco coils, the springs themselves, all gave it so much flex, and was able to get right up Middle Monkey today. So that was a huge accomplishment. We were so excited to shake it down today. Thanks so much for coming back to our channel. If you could please subscribe and like, maybe leave me a comment, I would love it and appreciate it. So I'll try to get this posted soon, and we'll try to get some more trails out here for you. much for tuning into our channel. I really appreciate it. Yeah. And do you have any trails you'd like to see out here in Sand Hollow? Since we get out here pretty often now, just let us know in the comments below. But I really appreciate you watching and liking and subscribing and coming along with us today out here in Sand Hollow. Thanks so much.